Hey guys, and in this video I'll show you how to pair this Go Plus Play speaker to the Android phone. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to turn it on by clicking this power button on the top of the speaker, so you will hear a chime and it will light up. Just like this. And now we need to click this Bluetooth button, so you will also hear a chime and it will start blinking and go in a pairing mode. Great! Now we need to take the phone and open the quick access panel by swiping from the upper right corner, like this. And then press and hold this Bluetooth icon. And now enable Bluetooth by clicking this switcher. And in a couple of seconds you will see the name of this device in the list of the available devices. So we just need to click it. Then click on pair. And now our device is connected to the speaker because you can see it in the list of paired devices, and you can also see this little Bluetooth icon on the top of the screen. So that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching.